AEOS has a lot of features, so getting the information you need can be a bit of a struggle. But we found a way to make this much easier for you. How? We moved from a user manual in PDF format to an online help. And this is how that will look. When you open the help, you'll see a search bar and a table of contents. You can click on topics to open them. You can use the previous and next buttons to browse through the topics in the order of the table of contents. If you're looking at this on a smaller window, most images automatically scale. When the menu disappears to make room for the smaller screen space, you can still access it when you click on the menu icon. You can choose which type of information you want to see with the filter icon. For example, by default, the dashboard help doesn't show information meant for system administrators. But when you select the System Administrator checkbox, the widget topic now also shows how to set up this widget in AEOS itself. Then there's the search bar. The search recognizes different words for the same thing. So if you search for badge, it also finds identifier. If you want to find badge only, just enter it in quotes. The found text is highlighted in the topic. You can remove the highlighting with this icon. But to be honest with you, you probably don't need the search anyway. Just click on the part of an image to go to the correct topic. With these improvements, we're sure that you can get all the information you need quickly and efficiently.